Place the string on this weed whacker trimmer. There's a cotter key, and it needs to come out. And then I'm going to grab this ring back here and this one and just turn that a little bit. There's 4 tabs that spin behind, and that's what holds this on. You line those up, that comes right off. And actually I already took this apart, but this is supposed to be on there too. This helps hold the string and works the mechanism that releases it. There's an arrow on here pointing that way. It says wind cord that way. So I've got some new cord here, and I'm going to start this out. I'm going to take a piece of masking tape. Actually, generally best is filament tape. It's stickier, but I'm out, so I'm going to use this masking tape just to hold this string in place. And then I'm just going to start wrapping this around here. Whoop. And I'll wrap that till I get the spool filled up. I've filled it up. I've left about a 1/2 inch because I need to put this foam in here. And then I'll feed the cord through this hole, this bottom piece. And now for the tricky part. I'm going to push this piece in, but I need to pull this one back here. I need to hold that out so it lines up to this piece. And what happens is, where this cord, the cord comes out here, this sticks in about 1/4, 3/8 of an inch, so it hits on the spool. So that's got to be past that spool and down into where the cord is, and it does not like to line up there. And then I got her. Now I need to. Do I? All those. There's 4 tabs. All 4 of them need to be. Oops. That foam has got stuck in there. All 4 of them need to be into that collar. And then I need to spin it. There we go. I got it. Now I need to find a. There we go. There's a hole for the cotter key. Right there. Run that little cotter key in there. And this cotter key is getting all wore out. There we go. And I'm just going to bend one side of that cotter key so it won't fall out. There we go. And then all set. Be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.